Hello everyone, welcome to Tutoriex. In previous videos I installed Chrome, then showed you how you can show your internet speed here like this, download speed, upload speed, and in this video I'll show you how you can use multiple accounts in Chrome, how you can add multiple accounts. So you go to this account here where you are signed in, so click on that and you see add. You can add your name here. I'm gonna add my name. Select the theme. I'm gonna select the dark theme and done. There is your new Chrome, and you get started. Next, or you can customize it later. First, you can customize it as you want, and then sign in here. I'm gonna sign in here with my another account. Give your password. Confirm. Yes, I'm in. So you see here there's an error, so just ignore that. See, another account is added. And how can you switch between accounts? I'll just cut the Chrome. Imagine you're just opening Chrome and this is gonna show up. So this is person 1. You can edit the name here, and this is the one I added. And like that you can add new accounts, like how many accounts you want to add, it's your choice. So that's how you can do it. So I'll just gonna, and you can edit this name here so you can keep track, like this is 01, and you can edit this one as 02, so it's your choice, right? So thanks for watching guys, and see you on the next video.